In the previous classes, we discussed the application of potentiometer, and three application we discussed. That application was based on the CBSE syllabus. Now we have to discuss another application, but that application are not in the CBSE syllabus, that are for the RBSA student. तो जो आगे applications हम start करने वाले हैं, that are only for the RBSA student, but these are very important applications, so you can also see that applications. The fourth application is measurement of a small resistance. Means with the help of potentiometer we can find out the small value of resistance. So in this application again we have to mark the circuit diagram. In the case of that, AB is again potentiometer wire, and in the primary circuit we connect a battery E1, key K1 and rheostat RH1. So we are connecting battery E1, key K1 and rheostat RH1 in series, and we will complete this primary circuit. And in the secondary circuit we are using a resistance R, and in that we are also using a small value resistance small r. In the secondary circuit there is a battery, or you can say this is a cell E2, key K2 and rheostat RS2 to control the current here. Okay, and K3 and K4 are the two-way key, and we connect the galvanometer, and to find out the value of effective length or equivalent length we are using the jockey here. So this is the setup for the measurement of a small value of resistance. So to find out the value of this small resistance we have to mention the points for construction, or you can say to how we can mark this circuit for measurement of a small resistance. So write down the first point: battery E1, key K1 and rheostat RH1. Battery E1, key K1 and rheostat RH1 are connected in series with the potentiometer wire AB, are connected in series with potentiometer wire AB to connect to complete primary circuit. In the secondary circuit, okay. So in the next point you can mention that resistance capital R, a small value of resistance, small r, cell E2, key K2 and rheostat RS2, galvanometer G and jockey J. इन सब के नेम मेंशन करने हैं ना. Resistance capital R, small value resistance small r, cell E2, key K2 and rheostat RS2, galvanometer, jockey and two-way key are connected as shown in diagram to complete the secondary circuit. So we can connect the secondary circuit by using this resistance and whatever. So this is our secondary circuit. Now we have to find out the value of a small r. So to find out the value of a small r, first of all we are K1 and K2 are closed, without that we cannot flow the electricity. So K1 and K2 are closed, and in case of K3 and K4, so K3 or K4 में से we are inserting the K3, means K3 we are closing here. When we close the key K3, then only this resistance will be in the secondary circuit, means electric current will flow through that, and the potential difference across this resistance capital R will be balanced with the potential difference across balancing length. Fine. तो इसके across जो voltage होगा वो voltage हम यहाँ balance करेंगे. अगर आपने K3 को यूज किया, अगर आप K4 को यूज करते तो K3 वाला सर्किट काम में नहीं आ रहा है वाला, तो करंट कैसे होगा ये, यानी इस केस में R एंड स्मॉल r बोथ आर इन द सीरीज. तो जो R प्लस R जो कि सीरीज का उसका इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस होता है, उसके लिए जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा, फिर उस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा, बैलेंसिंग लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. तो ये हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ. तो इन द थर्ड पॉइंट यू कैन राइट दैट right? Mention it. Key K1, K2, K3 are closed and K4 is open. K4 is open. Key K1, K2, K3 are closed and key K4 is closed, is open, है ना. K4 is open. बाकी सारी कीज क्या कर दी हमने, क्लोज कर दी है. और किसके लिए बैलेंसिंग लेंथ निकालेंगे, इसके लिए. एंड द बैलेंसिंग लेंथ, key K1, K2, K3 are closed and K4 is open, and the balancing length for the resistor, balancing length for the potential difference, balancing length for the potential difference across capital R resistance, across capital R resistance is L1, is L1. So we can write that V equals to what, XL1, because balancing length is L1 and potential difference we are taking, this is V. In case of that, if current is I and resistance is capital R, we can write that V equals to what, IR equals to XL1. This is the first equation for that. Fine. So IR equals to XL1. Now key K1, K2, K1 K2 तो क्लोज रहना ही रहना है. अब इसमें से क्या करना है, K3 को हमें ओपन कर देना है, K4 को क्लोज करना है. नाउ K1 K2 K4 आर क्लोज्ड, these are closed and K3 is open. Now K3 is open and this R and small r in series. So across these resistance potential difference we are taking, suppose it is V dash, and उसका जो potential difference होगा उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, बैलेंसिंग लेंथ फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वो बैलेंसिंग लेंथ सपोज करिएगा L2 हुआ तो आप क्या लिख देंगे, V dash equals to XL2. बैलेंसिंग लेंथ is L2, then V dash will be equals to XL2. So write down that key K1, K2, K4 are closed and K3 is open, and the balancing length for the potential difference, balancing length for the potential difference across R plus small r. ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिएगा ऐसे, किसके अक्रॉस की बात कर रहे हैं, R plus small r. Potential difference across R plus R is V dash. बैलेंसिंग लेंथ निकाल रहे ना, सॉरी. तो बैलेंसिंग लेंथ for the potential difference across R plus R is L2. बैलेंसिंग लेंथ की बात कर रहे हैं, is L2. So you can write that. हमने क्या बोला, potential difference तो V dash, क्या यूज कर लें, XL2 from the principle of potentiometer. In place of V dash you can write that it is R and it is R plus small r, because the resistance in that case is R plus R. This branch is not applicable, these two are in series. So I into R plus R, it is equals to XL2. You can put it equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. If you divide in the point number 5, you can do that. Equation 2 is divided by equation 1. So it will be I R plus small r divided by IR. It will be equals to XL2 divided by XL1. X is cancelled with X, I cancel with the I. So it is R plus R divided by capital R equals to L2 by L1. So we can write 1 plus R by R equals to L2 by L1. Then R by R is L2 by L1 minus 1. L2 by L1 minus 1. So you can write it that R by R is LCM is L1, it is L2 minus L1, L2 minus L1, and then R will be equals to L2 minus L1 upon L1 into capital R. So this small r is a small value of resistance. This small r is a small value of resistance. So we can determine with the help of potentiometer. It's not internal resistance, but it will be confused. आपको कंफ्यूज कर सकता है. स्मॉल आर इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस के लिए भी हमने फॉर्मूला निकाला था. वहाँ फॉर्मूला आया था L1 माइनस L2 अपॉन L2 इंटू आर. ये हमारे लिए स्मॉल रेजिस्टेंस के लिए हमने फॉर्मूला फाइंड आउट किया है. दैट इज L2 minus L1 divided by L1 into R. So we can find out the small value of resistance by using potentiometer method.